Alright, good day everyone. So, at this point, we will be talking about, or I'll be guiding on how to do callback requests. So, for immediate response, we need to callback request or CBR. Callback request. How to do callback requests? Here, you're going to click this callback request. So, take note, this is for you or para patawagan ka ng biyahe ko or GI para matawagan ka kung ano ang mga problema mo. For example, this one, so how to call back request. So by this one, this is the product. So this is your callback request. So please select product and type you have encountered. So the product, for example, for top up, you're just going to click top up here. Yan. Provide all necessary data and contact number. Example requested by Joseph Saliga. And we're going to provide your contact number 0912-443-9392. So, ano pang problema sa top up mo? I made a top up 30 minutes ago na po. Di pa nag-appear. Okay? So, ganyan. Then you're going to choose files here. So, ganyan. Click mo lang kung anong gusto mo. Then, for example, ganyan. Open. Then, you're just going to click submit. Ganyan. If may choose file or may reference ka na anong problema mo or ganyan, you're just going to choose file. Pero, kapag yung problema mo ay may problema ka sa domestic airline ferry, just click domestic airline. Click submit and request. You will receive confirmation number. You will receive call for support specialist within 10 minutes if possible. So, kanyan. So, 09, I made a top up 10 minutes. Example, nag-error yung booking ko. Yan. Oo, ganyan. Nag-error yung booking ko. Please delete error. Okay. Or, sabi, ganyan. So, ganyan. So, just click submit. So, after that one, makikita mo lahat o mga CVR request mo dito. So, CVR history, ganyan. For example, no record found. Di ako nag-CVR. Lang CVR. O, ganyan. Makikita mo yung lahat ng mga CVR. So, what they can CVR, submit mo lang dito. Makikita may approval ba or wala. So, that's how to do CBR.